Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs taste better step by step. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low and add a thin layer of oil or butter. Crack eggs gently into a shallow dish before sliding them in to avoid broken yolks. Cook slowly for more tender whites and set the yolk level by covering briefly if you like runny centers. Warm a combination of butter and a neutral oil to get flavor without burning. Let the butter foam, then add a smashed garlic clove or herb stem and remove before cracking eggs. Spoon some hot fat over the whites as they set to create glossy edges and infuse taste. Season gently with salt and pepper while cooking so flavors seep in, and taste one to adjust. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while cooking, and it won't tip over by the stove, which feels like magic when you're juggling pans. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Season the eggs early with a light sprinkle of salt for even absorption, then add finishing salt if needed. Try grated sharp cheese, chopped chives, or a few drops of hot sauce for contrast and richness. A tiny splash of lemon or vinegar brightens the dish and balances fat. Finish with freshly cracked pepper and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.